right, we're looking at this template here today, syncing Shopify products to Airtable. So this is going to not just create a product in Airtable when a product's created in Shopify, but it'll pull any updates through to Airtable on an ongoing basis. So with no further ado, let's dive in. So first you're gonna connect your account. I've already got that connected up. And then you're gonna select your base. So you may already have an existing base. We do have a template here for you that you can check out. We're gonna be expecting to see the products table and the variance table, and then these field names are also, we're gonna be looking for specific values in these field names. So you can use this template if you want, or if you use your own template, your own base, just be aware of that. You may have to adjust some field names and things like that. Once you've done that, you can select the base, and that should be about it. You're ready to run a test. All right, so let's go ahead and pick a product. Let's pick a product, and let's get off to doing some testing. All right, so we'll go through some of these steps, a little more detail, the product fields, the way we're defining those, and also the variant fields, but we can see that went ahead and did an upsert. Upsert is just a nerdy word for combination of update and insert. So it's either gonna update an existing record in Airtable or it's gonna insert a new one. It's basically another way of saying create or update. All right, so then we've got this modified column, which can be helpful for, that was a bad test, for seeing your recent updates. So sorted on modified, we can see the bottle lid was just updated. And then going to the variants tab here, you can see that's that default variant for the bottle lid. We've got the SKU and the price pulled in. I think I have a $0 price on that one in my test store. So that's how that one works. And let's take a look at this guy here. So if you want to, so these are the fields that it's populating. If you want to add fields to that, let's say for example, you want to add the product type, you would go like that. And then you would drop in the type variable, and then you would just want to make sure that you had that same field in Airtable with the same spelling. And then the same would apply to the variants. These are the variant fields. So same idea here. You can basically pull in any fields you want. You just got to define them like that. That is about it. Hope that helps. Feel free to install that and check it out. Let us know if you hit any snags, and happy automating.